The shortest day of the year. I've got up for you something very cool and special. I did a quick video tour of my office to talk about time since it's the winter solstice and more people are interested in it now than ever. And of course, I'm in my bathrobe. It's the shortest day of the year. Why get out of bed? Have a good winter solstice and hello from New York. I love ya. Hello everyone. I thought I'd do a little tour for the winter solstice and explain a little bit about my thoughts on time travel and time perception because it is the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year. Let's first turn on these lights. Hey Siri, turn on Showtime. I actually say okay, turn on Showtime because it's a dedication to Beetlejuice. It's showtime. But first, this is where I sit when I do my journaling for the moon cycles or seasons. It's also where I do a lot of my work. This is my whole setup. Over here I've got the moon cycles. Over here I've got the month so I can see what kind of astrological days are coming up. My last intentions for fall, and then of course my last moon cycles. And then this is my journal for every day. Over here I've got my calendar, the weather, what's going on. Then over here I have the environmental and sound controls for the house. But behind me is the time travel wall. So let's talk about the time travel wall, right? So I built the time travel wall about 2 years before the pandemic started. It started out really simple with just some knickknacks, but it grew over time, and it's one of my favorite things. When I'm in meetings, people always love to see it. So you'll notice along the top of the wall and down here, we've got travel posters, but they're travel posters in places in time. So historic Japan, future Japan, the Ice Age, Pangea, etc. You've got different types of educational resources for different periods of time, and you even have some kind of non-traditional time methods. So we've got the Mayan calendar here and the pagan wheel of the year. But most importantly, we have these two clocks. The top one you'll see is at noon. The arrow is going straight up, the arm is going straight up. That's the winter solstice. That clock does 1 rotation per year, and this one does 1 rotation per day. So those clocks help me understand my sense of time. And then down here we have all these amazing things, a signed hoverboard and lots of time. We'll zoom in a little bit and look at some fun stuff. So I'm also a time scout. So this is actually the Time Travel Mart in Echo Park in Los Angeles. It's a real place where you can go and look at different knickknacks about time travel. Time Scouts is one of their programs. Time Scouts actually have a whole handbook, just like real scouts, have different types of exercises that help you understand time and time travel. Time Scouts have merit badges. We have cups. We have specialized watches and tools. We even have time travel sickness pills. If you go to the future, you've got robot emotions. Time Scouts is something really cool that I encourage you to check out. I absolutely love it. But over here, we've got more type of cool stuff. So this is a whole USB stick with ancient texts. These are CDs that help you print out and understand technology from the turn of the century in case we ever need to reboot civilization. And then we've got all of these neat cards over here, everything from Hexen's Tarot to the IDEO method cards. And then, of course, you can send yourself a letter in the future. One of my favorites is the classic oblique strategies, which gives you things to think about. And I love this famous last words. So lots of fun little tools here. You can see right now that we are in Yule. This is one of the reasons I love the pagan calendar. And a lot of people will ask me, why do you talk about magic and technology so much? It's because I think they're so interrelated. This is actually a replica of the Voyager Golden Disc, one of my favorite concepts we've ever come with. And of course, in the middle, we have all these different types of movie-related time travel. So it's a lot of fun stuff on time and time travel. I absolutely love it. Luna time travels, right, Luna? You're a good girl. It's a Luna. Hi, Luna. You're a good girl. We're talking on the internet. Yeah. And this is where I meditate. We'll do another video on that. Have a good day. Have a good winter solstice.